Hello everyone, I'm Aisling McGinn, a member of the AEC Digital Transformation team. Welcome to part 2 of creating custom wall types in Revit. In part 2, I will show you how to create custom family types, create a timber stud frame, and add insulation annotations. Here we can see our custom wall section as created in part 1 of the series. We're going to add the timber studs and battens now. Select column from the ribbon and go to Load Family. Select timber.rfa from the default folder and click to specify any type. Go to Edit Type and duplicate and rename to match the desired column section, in this case 140mm by 38mm. Change the breadth and depth of the column to match the desired values. Repeat this process for the batten size. Select the 140 by 38mm timber stud. Make sure that the stud is being drawn from level 0 with the height ending at level 1 to match the wall. Click to place the stud anywhere. Use the Align tool and align the stud to the end of the wall. Move into place as required. We want to place the studs at 600mm centres, so we're going to move copy, select chain and specify the distances. The distance will be taken from the centre of each stud. The centre to centre distance from the end stud will be 581mm to accommodate the end of the wall. Repeat the process using 600mm centres as shown. Carry out the same process of adding the timber batten and specifying the distances. Next, we're going to add the insulation annotation. Go to the Annotate tab and select Insulation. In the Properties panel, change the thickness to 140mm to match the stud depth. Select the midpoint of the stud and draw until the midpoint of the following stud, and repeat this between all studs as shown. Now you've created an accurate representation of the plan view of your new custom timber frame wall. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe to be kept up to date with future videos, and you can follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter.